All right, we have example 2. Example 2 says a boy of mass 50 kg runs up a set of steps of total height 3.0 meters. Find the work done against gravity. Against what? Gravity. So we have solution like this. All right, I told you that work is equals to gravity to be force times distance. Force times what? Distance, like this. Work is equals to force times distance. So let us substitute, but they gave us mass instead of force. So, but we know that force is equals to mass times what? Acceleration. Force is equals to mass times acceleration. So we have like this. Only this force is this. Then we have times what? Distance. Can you see that? Is it clear? All right. So now we substitute. The value of mass is what? 50 kg. We have 50 like this. Acceleration due to gravity, because they mentioned gravity. We have to take it to be what? 10. 10 meters per second square. So we have 10 like this. Is a constant. Then the distance we are talking about here, we are talking about vertical distance, which is height. They said a boy of mass 50 kg runs up a set of steps of total height. Can you see the total height? Total height is 3 meters. So we have 3 like this. Can you see that? All right, so we now multiply. 50 times 10 will give us 500. 500 times 3, it will give us what? 1500 joules. Can you see that? 1500 joules. If you don't want to write it like this, you express it in kilojoules by saying 1.5 kilojoules. Can you see that? So either like this or you have it like this. Can you see that? So we have work to be equals to this. Can you see it? So that is how it can be solved. Force times distance, and force is what? Mass times acceleration. Then they gave us mass. We know the acceleration due to gravity to be 10, and they gave us distance, which is vertical height, to be what? 3. When you multiply together, you have 1500 joules, which when you convert to kilojoules by dividing by 1000, you get 1.5 kilojoules. All right, so that is how it can be solved. Let's solve next example. Example 3 says a loaded sack of total mass 1000 kg falls down from the floor of a lorry 2.0 meters high. Calculate the work done by gravity on the load. We have solution like this. So here we have work to be equals to, we have force times what? Distance. Can you see that? Force times distance. All right. But here they didn't give us force, they gave us mass. So but we know that force is equals to mass times acceleration. Can you see it? Acceleration, that is the value of force. So you now have times what? Distance. Can you see it? You have times distance like this. All right, so we can still use this to solve. Acceleration we are talking about here, we are talking about acceleration due to gravity, which we are going to take to be what? 10 meters per second square. So the mass they gave us is what? We have 100 kg times acceleration due to gravity, we have it to be 10. Then they said height of what? 2. Can you see it? All right, so when you calculate this, what do we have? 100 times 10 will give us 1000 times 2. It will give us 2000 joules. Can you see that? 2000 joules. So that is how this can be solved. It is not difficult. Just force times distance, but note that force can be found using the formula mass times acceleration. If it's linear acceleration, we use A. If it's acceleration due to gravity, we use G. All right, so that is how it can be solved. I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved it now. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. Bye.